Everyone, it's Reese from Praestantia again. In this next video, I'm going to show you how to tag students to make communication that bit easier. So we're in Microsoft Teams and these are all my classes, and today we're going to talk about how we add tags to groups of students to perhaps make things easier if you're working in small project groups. So I'm going to go into one of my teams here. I'm going to click on my three little dots up there, manage tags, and then I'll click create a tag. So I'm going to call this small project group, and then I'm going to add some students in here. So I'm going to add my students, and so you can add as many students as you like in here, but it just makes things easier. So rather than have to type in every student's name if you're wanting to communicate with them, you can just tag them. So I'm going to click on create. And now what I can do by using the @ symbol, I can hit small project group. Hi guys, how are we getting on? And then what this will do, it will send a message to all of those people in that small project group. It's just a real quick and easy way of communicating with small groups of students without having to type all of their name in. Hope you enjoy.